Hello everyone, today we are looking into a crypto challenge from GreyCTF. The challenge name is uwusignatures. So here is the netcat server and the challenge point. I already downloaded it. So here is the challenge file. Let's look into it. So looking to the server code here. It gives us public key parts PGY, but right here print this line. This line. It prints the secret number K and it used every time it signs a message. This is a vulnerability. K is public and reused. Okay, let's print out. See, it prints the K. So let's go to our attack strategy. So the plan is first we grab PGY and that leak K from the server. Since we know the K, we can calculate R, which is Z to the power mod P. That's the part of the signature. Then we will ask the server to sign one random message. It will give us S. With KRS and the hash of our message, we can mathematically solve the server's private key X. Once we have the X, we use it with the server's K and our R to sign the flag message ourselves. So I made a solved script. Let's see it. Here is my solve script. You can see there. Let's run it. Sorry. Okay, it is connecting. So it is connecting and grabbing a P, G, Y, and K. Here it is G, Y, K, R, and there is a S and M, and it successfully recovered private key X. Now the X is found. Since the X is found, we will get the flag very soon. So we get the flag here. You can see. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed.